So, Randy, your mom asked me to tell you a bedtime story tonight.
Where's the storybook?
No book needed. All you need is a little imagination. There once was a strapping young prince named Prince Randall Remington. He was brave and noble, and one day, while walking through the mystical forests of his kingdom, he heard a scream.
Ah! I was just trying to get some help zipping up my dress.
Prince Randall searched for the source of the noise when he saw a breathtakingly beautiful princess being attacked by the evil woodland creatures of the mystical forest. So Prince Randall pulled out his sword and ran to help the princess. Prince Randall fought hard until eventually the woodland creatures, led by the evil Squirrel King Louse, retreated back into the woods, leaving only the prince and the princess.
Hold on, Grandpa. Let me guess. Prince Randall saves the princess, marries her, and lives happily ever after.
Of course.
But that's not realistic.
Well, if it's not realistic, how would you end the story?
So Prince Randall saves the girl, but she wants nothing to do with him.